Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Remix, and today we are going to talk about top 5 smartphone accessories. Let's go on to the list. Number 1, Bose SoundSport wireless headphones. Guys, if you are a music lover or you listen music a lot, you probably need a headphone. Guys, this is the best headphone I recommend you. This device comes with a pretty good noise, pretty good sound and pretty good bass. This device is wireless, which is a pretty good feature. So these headphones are probably a very cool headphones. This device comes with 6 hours of battery life, so you can enjoy the music for a long time when you're outdoors. And this device is wet and weather resistant, which probably fits for persons who go for gym and workouts. So this device comes with a very unique design and comes with a color combination of black and blue, which looks pretty awesome and pretty cool in outdoors. Number 2, Persist Arc Wireless Power Bank. Guys, are you a traveler or do you travel a lot? Then you probably need a power bank because you cannot carry your charger wherever you go. So guys, presenting you Persist Arc Wireless Power Bank. This device consists of wireless charging capability, and this device comes with a clear LED indicator which indicates your power percentage or power mode of your smartphone. When a smartphone is fully charged, it indicates or warns you that your smartphone is fully charged, which is a way better mode to safeguard your smartphone. This device comes with a high quality aluminum frame around it, which looks very more stylish and very more better way. This device is very light, heavy and heavy weighted, and this device looks very stunning and it gives a very good performance. I have used it personally, and this device also comes with a magnetic fixed position. You can fix it wherever you want. Number 3, Samsung USB Type-C dock charger. Guys, I think each and everybody knows, and some may not know, that dock charger is one of the most fastest charger in the world. And guys, recent release of OnePlus 6 also contains a dock charger. And presenting you the Samsung Type-C dock charger. Guys, do you want to charge your phone way more quickly and way more faster? And this is the device you want. Guys, Samsung Type-C charger comes with a fast charging capability. It charges your phone way better than the normal chargers. Guys, this dock charger also has a stand, so your phone will never fall down when you charge it. So guys, to power it on, you just need a data cable. Just grab it, a data cable, just plug it on, boom, your fast charging is on. And guys, this comes with a matte, and this looks very soft and very stunning. And guys, this comes with a matte and a glossy black color upon it, and it looks very awesome on your desk setup. Number 4, Game Show GeForce Gamepad. Guys, are you Android gamer? Because probably most of the people nowadays play on Android because they love gaming on Android, because the games on Android have a high quality graphics because they have been upgraded. And guys, if you play a lot on Android, then you must need a gamepad because you get bored tapping on the same screen more times, which may make your hands paralyzed sometimes. Guys, you must need a gamepad, and presenting you and introducing you G4S gamepad. This is a stylish gamepad, comes with a silver and black color combination, which looks way more cool. This device also comes with a black light, so you can game overnight. This device looks similar to the Microsoft Xbox controller, and this device has a rubber grip on its back handles, so your hands will never slip when you're gaming. Number 5, Google Daydream VR headset. Guys, do you want to experience a better virtuality world? So you need a VR headset. Guys, introducing you Google Daydream VR headset. This VR headset comes with a texture cloth upon it, which looks way more pretty and way more stylish. This device comes with 3 color. You can pick your own choice. This device is compatible with 6.5 inches display, and this device also comes with a smart remote, so you can experience or you can control your virtual experience anywhere in the world. And guys, this device is very soft, very comfortable, so your eyes will never get stressed and never be worn. And guys, if you like my video, please do a subscribe my channel, and because lot more cool stuff is going to come, and give a big thumbs up button. And thanks for watching. Signing off.